Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a vlog. I just thought it would be a fun way for you guys to kind of see what I do or what I have been doing in like this quarantine lockdown situation. It's not a whole lot really, but I thought I've got a couple of packages that I can open with you, and I need to do my nails. They are a hot mess right now, so I will do that as well. Let me know if you guys would like to see a more in-depth. Sorry if you can hear outside, I've got my window open because it is so hot right now. It's really warm. But yeah, let me know if you guys would like to see an in-depth tutorial on kind of how I do my gels, what products I use and stuff like that. I will definitely do that for you. But yeah, let's get on with the day. Okay, so my first package of the day. It might be my only package, but I'm hoping the other ones arrive today. But anyway, this package is a very exciting one, my most exciting package. It's actually some sunglasses because obviously that's all we can do in quarantine at the moment. So I got myself some Fendi sunglasses. I actually saw these on Rosie Huntington Whiteley like months ago, and when I actually looked to try and get them myself, they were actually sold out. So it's been a long process of trying to find these. But yeah, I finally got them and I absolutely love them. They're probably the most obnoxious sunglasses that I have, but I just thought they were really nice. Obviously they come in the hard case, but I don't know if you can see, they have like the Fendi print. If I take my hand away, is that easier? They have the Fendi print kind of all over the frame, and then the little gold, like, it's not really, well, it's hardware, their logo and stuff on the side. So very cute. But let me know what you guys think. I just think they're a vibe. Like, they're very flat. Like, I don't usually wear sunglasses that are this flat to my face, but I think they look really cute. I might actually wear these today, you know. I just think they're pretty cool. And they're like, I mean, who am I? Yeah, I love them. They really go with this bodysuit as well. Obviously you would have seen this in my previous video because I know you guys have watched it, and if you didn't, go and watch it. But this is literally just like what I wear on a day-to-day basis. I absolutely love these bodysuits. But anyway, this is not about the bodysuit, this is about the sunglasses. I wear quite plain outfits, so I don't tend to get like anything with like massive prints or anything like that. So a pair of sunglasses, like statement sunglasses, are always good with a plain outfit to kind of like zhuzh it up a bit. Who even says zhuzh? Like elevate an outfit. And yeah, I just thought these were really, really nice. They actually have them on the Fendi website at the moment, so I will link them down below in case any of you want these sunglasses, because they're a vibe and you can never have too many pairs of sunglasses. And I always think of these as just kind of like investments, because I am going to wear these for years and years and years to come, like I've done with all my other luxury sunglasses. So yeah, if you want them, I will link them. But yeah, I absolutely love them. So I have just finished my nails, as you could see. I think I did a pretty good job, you know. They're a bit short, I had to kind of like file them all the way down. But yeah, cute, huh? I decided to stick with pink. I was going to do blue, like a light blue, but I changed my mind last minute because I just wanted to stick with pink really. But I'm pretty impressed. This is one skill that I've mastered whilst being in lockdown, is having to do my own gels. So yeah, So obviously I've just finished my nails and I'm gonna go and get some ingredients for dinner. I think we've decided on something really simple, like burgers or something, but I get the best burgers ever. They're like amazing. So I'll show you how we do those, and yeah, see you in a bit. I am back with another parcel. So this literally just arrived. These are my Desenio prints that I am super excited about. As I said, I'm just going to be doing like an updated background. But look how nice this looks. I'm so excited. Very cute. And then the prints just come in this. It was really easy to just kind of shop on Desenio actually. They have some really nice prints. If you've not shopped on there before, definitely go have a look. I just thought it'd be really nice to get some of these prints. I've been wanting to do it for absolutely ages, and I thought, what better excuse. But the prints that the prints that I did get, I just thought it looked really nice online, so I'm excited to see what they look. Ooh, okay, I'll give you a sneak peek. I won't do like a whole showing you the complete poster picture, whatever, but look at that. The colour on these is so nice. Oh my gosh. This is actually a mushroom. When I first saw it, I actually thought it was a leaf, but it's a mushroom, so that's cute. And I just love the colour of it. I think it's going to go really nice with the grey that I have in the room that I film in. And I also got, I'll show you the second one. This is a bit smaller. I think this is a 50 by 40 and the bigger one is a 50 by 70. And that small little outline, I won't show you the whole thing, is what I got for the second picture, so I can kind of like place one in front of the, well, the smaller one in front of the bigger one, and then hopefully it will look really cute. But I'm so excited to put those in some frames. I actually picked up a frame that isn't from Desenio. I got this from like a shop near me, and it was literally like £5, and it was just like it's got glass in it as well, and it's just like a really, I think it's wooden, I think so. But yeah, I just thought it was really nice, and it was exactly, it's like the same thing that you can buy on Desenio. So yeah, just thought I'd pick that up. I'm very excited to put these in the frames. I need to get a bigger one as well for the bigger picture. So hopefully that'll be coming in the next couple of days, and then I can show you guys my new background. But yeah. So I got the goods. Yeah, these are the burgers that I was telling you about earlier. They are literally the best thing ever, and they're also suitable for vegans, and they're a little bit spicy as well, which is so nice. Yeah, ever since I've had those, I've literally not gone back to having proper like meat burgers. These aren't for me, these are for someone else. But I also got some tomatoes, some lettuce, avocado, sweet potato, some cheese. We decided to put brie on this time, switch it up a little bit. You can literally put any cheese you want. Some brioche buns, and did I say sweet potato, and some coffee, because this is literally the closest I can get to Starbucks right now. So, and these are really good as well, and I can just pop them in my coffee machine and I don't have to go out. But also these are amazing. The amaretto lattes, they are 10/10, and some wine, because why not? But yeah, let's get cooking. So you can literally season these with whatever you would like, but I have just put oil, some paprika, some cinnamon, salt and some garlic powder, and I'm just going to put these in the oven for probably like 20 to 25 minutes, just so that they're soft. And yeah. So this is the finished product. I didn't manage to put avocado in it because I think they will literally fall apart, but these look so good and I cannot wait to tuck into these burgers because they are amazing. So before I forget, I'm tired. Before I forget to do an outro, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you did. Do you prefer my vlog style videos? I mean, this is my first one, so it can only get better from here. But yeah, let me know what you thought. Let me know if you want to see a nail video. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.